fastened while seated. As we may experience clear air turbulence during the flights, use lavatories located in the section. Tampering with the lavatory smoke detector is against the law. This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking, including the use of electronic cigarettes, is not allowed. Please be mindful of your belongings throughout the flight and keep your valuable possessions secure. We remind you to take precaution when opening overhead storage bins to retrieve your items, as they may have shifted during the flight. For further assistance, please call any of your cabin crew. Please be informed that the Bureau of Customs and the Department of Information and Communications Technology have fully implemented the e-travel customs system. All arriving passengers can now fill out the electronic customs baggage declaration form and the electronic currencies declaration form as applicable at the e-travel website at etravel.gov.ph or by downloading the eGov.ph application within 72 hours prior to your arrival in the Philippines. Please have your completed e-travel registration code ready upon arrival to facilitate your clearance. If you have not done your e-travel registration, approach any of your ground staff in Manila